What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm the Dogecoin Millionaire, man. What's up, bro? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you how I became a millionaire with Dogecoin, man. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I hope that I have imitated the Dogecoin Millionaire very well. But if you haven't heard of this guy, there's a guy, he's very greasy, and he's got long hair, and he's got a big delicious beard that comes out, and he likes to wear hoodies like this, and he is the Dogecoin Millionaire. Now, he's been featured on Graham Stepham's channel, whatever his name is, Meet Kevin, one of my favorite YouTubers, and many others. And this guy's famous because he YOLO'd like $130-something thousand into Dogecoin when it was 4 cents. Now, he's capitalizing on his recent fame because we all know Dogecoin has gone up a lot recently. And he made a YouTube channel. So I decided to check him out. I'm like, what's up with this guy? Let's see what awesome information he can teach me about investing. So I go and I watch his first video. And he basically explains why he YOLO'd $130,000 into this stupid cryptocurrency. So I was watching it, and he started listing off these reasons why Dogecoin was such a great investment. And one thing really stood out to me. So he was like, yeah, so basically, I'll try to imitate his voice. So basically, Dogecoin always goes up, bro. So if you're a business, wouldn't you rather accept Dogecoin as payment for your services instead of the US dollar? Because it only goes up. That's kind of like one of his justifications for why he thinks Dogecoin is going to last forever. And my response to that is, if I am a business owner and I am producing goods and services and I'm giving up my time to work and hopefully make a profit, the last freaking thing I'm going to do is accept some wildly fluctuating meme coin for payment. So his thesis that businesses are just going to wholesale adopt Dogecoin as an acceptable mode of payment is flatly ridiculous. This guy is a complete moron. He put $130,000 of his money into Dogecoin, and he got extremely lucky. And the funny thing is I always make videos kind of like imitating stupid crypto investors. And in this case, he kind of checks every box that I kind of say about, just imagine like the most ridiculous crypto investor possible. And imagine like making a farce about that guy. This is the guy. So he literally said he sold all his stocks. He literally maxed out his credit cards. He took as many loans as he possibly could to buy Dogecoin. That's how he got $130,000. So this idiot, even though he got extremely lucky, and we'll see how lucky he is in the future, this idiot literally did everything that I say not to do. And he went so far that it goes almost beyond the realm of possibility. But the whole purpose of this video is to explain to you guys, this guy is not a millionaire. This guy is freaking broke. He took out a bunch of debt, sold all his possessions or whatever he did to buy Dogecoin. So in his account on Robinhood, it's showing 2 million or whatever it is at right now. But here's the thing about investing, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't sell something, like actually sell it and realize your profit, you haven't made any money. There is a difference between paper gains and real life gains. Now, let's say you did make a bunch of money in Dogecoin and you have $1 million in there. Well, if you sell it and then you cash it out and you convert it to dollars, which is a real currency, unlike Dogecoin, then you would actually have $1 million and you would be a millionaire. You'd have to pay taxes, but you would actually be a real millionaire because you realized your gain. You sold the cryptocurrency and converted it into a legitimate currency, the dollar. This guy is not a millionaire. He is a complete clown. Now, his plan is to hold Dogecoin for a year. So I think he was at like $2 million and then it went down to like 1.6 million. If I was this guy, if I was advising this guy, I would be like, hey, you want to be a real millionaire? Sell that worthless garbage right freaking now and take your profits and then put it into a broadly diversified index fund. Then he would truly be a millionaire. His money would not be tied up in a worthless piece of crap asset like Dogecoin. And the funny thing is I really hope he comes to exemplify like the most idiotic, stupid crypto investor, because I hope what happens is, because he plans to hold it for a year, there's a pretty good possibility that Dogecoin might tank to like nothing. And it would be freaking hilarious if this guy who's been on all these news articles and, you know, he's on Graham Stephan's show because he's the Dogecoin millionaire. It would be hilarious if he kept hodling and then Dogecoin crashed down to nothing. That would be epic. That would make my day. So one can only hope that this guy learns his freaking lesson. Not to max out your credit cards, not to take cash advances and sell all your stocks on a YOLO in one freaking cryptocurrency, okay? Which is, he literally did that. Like, I don't know if he was being like facetious or whatever, but I watched his first video and he said, yeah, I took out cash advances and whatever to buy Dogecoin. So we will see what happens. But the whole point of this video is if you have any gains in cryptocurrency, let's say it went up 100%, 200%, whatever, you need to sell it and realize the gain and convert it into dollars, because that would be a legitimate gain. This guy is not a millionaire. He's a fake millionaire. His millions, which by the way, it's funny, they measure millionaire in dollars, not in Dogecoin, because even though Dogecoin is supposed to be so legitimate, they measure his wealth in millionaire as in dollars. If your money is tied up into an asset and it's an extremely volatile asset that's held up by nothing, you're not a millionaire. He's actually freaking broke. I wouldn't even classify Dogecoin as an asset. I mean, an asset is going to produce like probable future benefits, whereas Dogecoin is literally worthless garbage. So if you have crypto gains, sell them. Sell them now. Convert them into a real currency like the dollar or the euro. And then you will have actually made your money after you pay your taxes. But if you just hodl because you're so freaking greedy like this guy is so greedy that he's going to hold on to his Dogecoin, even though he went from like $130,000 to almost $2 million. That is the epitome of greed and stupidity, okay? You need to control your urges. And when you make a nice profit, sell out of it, okay? That's it. So I really hope this guy learns his lesson. I hope they write articles about him, how he was such an idiot, how he made a fortune and he lost a fortune. But, you know, one can only hope. But this guy is not a millionaire. Don't be jealous. Don't copy him. Don't imitate this moron who literally maxed out his credit cards. Okay, that's not how you build wealth. The guy's going to learn his lesson the hard way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know how you like the new camera setup. I actually got a new monitor. So my camera's so short, I can't like mount it on the monitor. But that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and maybe I'll pump out more videos today. Choose.